Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the current baseline. Open Settings, tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging, and read the maximum capacity percentage. This tells you how far your battery has aged and whether peak performance management is active. Once done, make sure iOS is updated because Apple sometimes adds recalibration improvements. While you're here, record the number somewhere. That number guides whether you'll try software recalibration first or proceed to a battery replacement as the definitive way to raise maximum capacity. Now perform a controlled recalibration cycle. Charge the phone to 100% and keep it plugged in for about 2 extra hours so the battery reaches a true full state. Then use the device until it fully drains and powers off to register a true empty. Finally, charge it back to 100% in one uninterrupted session. This sequence can help the system re-estimate maximum capacity. If the indicator still lags, the issue is likely physical, rather than a software misread. If recalibration doesn't improve the reported maximum capacity, the practical next step is a battery replacement through Apple or an authorized repair provider. That is the only way to restore true capacity to near 100%. Once replaced, recheck battery health to confirm the new reading. If you can't replace it immediately, make sure low power mode and performance management are set appropriately, and monitor for unexpected shutdowns. Troubleshooting tip: if values behave erratically, reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.